everyone, welcome back to my channel. Comment with tout moun mwen yo. Bienvenue avec channel mwen ya. Okay, today we are going to make a Haitian donut which they call coquillol. Okay, je dis nous pral faire coquillol qui vraiment go, qui vraiment bon. Nous pral faire li en cake. Okay, we're going to do hearts donuts which is very nice, and we're going to do the glaze also. To start off, we need sugar, we need flour, we need a pack of yeast. We also need a little bit of salt. I'll put the measurement down there for you guys. Okay. As you know that I'm going to sift all of my ingredients. I am going to use nutmeg, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I'm also going to use just a little bit of cinnamon powder, not too much. We're gonna sift everything and then we're gonna set it to the side, and we're gonna move to our wet ingredients. Okay, now we are going to put our milk or melted butter. We are going to also put a little bit of almond extract, vanilla extract. We are using egg also. Okay, kounye la nou pral mette lait, nou pral mette ben nou, apre sa nou ap mette essence nou ensemble avec yon grenze. Okay, after we put all of our ingredients, we also going to add our 1 packet of yeast. Nap use yon paquet pour le vin et puis tout nap mélanger li pour nous capable al mette li avec farine. Okay, now we are gonna mix everything together so we can pour it over into our wet ingredients, so we can mix everything, or dry ingredients, so we can mix everything together. As you can see that I am mixing my flour with the wet ingredients. We're gonna knead our flour for 5 minutes until the dough is relaxed, and then we're gonna let it rest for like 40 minutes so the dough can rise a little bit. If you would like for your dough to be more soft, you can add a little bit of more milk in it. It won't mess nothing up. It'll just make it more smooth, other than a little bit more stiff. Now our dough has done resting for 45 minutes. Now we're gonna roll it so we can cut it to the shape that we want, so we can fry it. Kounye la farine fin repose pour 45 minutes. Kounye la mwen pou li pou m kapab koupel nan façon ke mwen ta reme pou m kapab metel fri. As you guys can see that I am using a heart cookie cutter. You can also do that for Valentine's Day also, or you can use different ones. It depends on the holidays, different cookie cutters, so you can just have different type of shape when you're doing it. It still will be very nice. Ok, kapab wè ke map itilize yon keb m kapab coupe farine pou m kapab al fril. Now I am going to prepare the glaze. I am using 1 cup of powdered sugar, and then I'm putting a little bit of milk and mix it all together. You can put a little bit of vanilla extract in it so you can give it a little bit of flavor, so we can put our glaze over our donut. I am putting a little bit of food coloring so it can give it a nice color. Ou kapab wè kounye la ma fè glaze, nou kapab mette sou donat lan. Mwen mette yon gode poud sucre ki fait en poudre là. Après ça mwen mette yon ti let la dan, tout an ma mélanger li. Après ça mwen mette yon ti essence vanille la dan pou bal yon ti goût. Ma mette yon ti couleur la dan pou kapab ki yon ti couleur rose. Ça c'est option pam, ou gen dwa metel, ou gen dwa pa metel. Okay, I put a little bit of food coloring like I said, but it's my option. You can either do it or not do it. Either way, the donut will still taste good. guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you tried this recipe, please let me know. Bye bye.